Learning to navigate power is really tough, within ourselves and externally with others. Whether we overuse power, underuse it, or just use it ineffectively, we're going to really struggle personally and professionally. Not being able to access our power in a balanced and healthy way prevents us from being who we are meant to become. Horse Sense North offers effective, horse-inspired skill building and tools, as well as protected spaces for embodied transformational learning with horses, so that we may discover the freedom of accessing our power in ways that benefit everyone. When we are truly empowered in a balanced and heartfelt way, we're able to experience the freedom to be who we are meant to become.